You're too big for this now. There you go, ladies. It really is cracked for goats.
From Hollywood to the Homestead.
Previously on From Hollywood to the Homestead.
We're going to make a movie together! Yeah. Let's do it!
Not again. Ice cream for breakfast. Goats are always messing with my stuff. Your butt is probably frozen. Can you help me? Let's get those babies out of you, chonk. And there they are, very hungry for it. Hi, puppy. Still not friendly. That's okay. Okay, let me grab this. Bring it over here. They've kind of just been sleeping over here. They want to be close to the boys, which is very cute. But they're just sleeping out in the elements. They don't seem to mind it. Handful for you. Handful for you. Handful for you. Luke, don't kiss your sister and steal food from them. Hey, Pee-Pee. Now I'm going to bring the rest over to the other side of the pasture, and I bet they'll follow me. Yep, there they go. At least two of them. Oh. As much as they love hay, all they really want is cracked corn. It really is cracked for goats. Oh, I also have to refill their water too. And the house is all the way over there. I'll be back, ladies. Oh, it only filled it up halfway. I'm gonna have to do another one. How does it go from 100 degrees and 100% humidity in the summer to a full-on blizzard in the winter? I don't get it. I'll be back with more water, ladies. Did I mention it's freezing outside? Just in case you were wondering. All right. There you go, ladies. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. And I'm sure, as we mentioned before, Poppy came to us pregnant, we thought. And I think she is, if you can see by the girth of the side of her body. We think she's got 1, 2, or 3 in there. Don't pop those babies out while I'm here alone.
Just got through hair and makeup. I just got through hair and makeup. About to go to set for my first shot. I feel like I forgot something though. I'm gonna have to change that. Action.
That's it.
Not how it is.
Oh, look at you. You're pathetic.
Find me, Crumb.
I'll do.
And as I mentioned before, the thing they love most, aside from animal crackers, is cracked corn. They love this stuff. I don't know why, but God. As I said, they love cracked corn. Can't forget their minerals. This is cracked corn from Producer's Pride, non-sponsored. Kind of just give them a little bit as a treat. Give a nice little scoop in there. And then also, we give them some minerals. Mineral and vitamin supplement for goats. I don't really know what it does. I think it's just to keep them healthy. We'll just mix it in here, a little cocktail. Let's go give them this good stuff. They know what this red tin looks like, so I need to try and beat them to the door so they don't escape. Oh no. Oh no, here they come. Here they come. Here they come. Here they come. Oh. Oh, babies. Come on. I beat you. Okay. I'm about to go crazy for this stuff. Oh no. Crack corn. Ah! Hey, over here! Over here! Get in there! Told you, they love this stuff. Yum, 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 yum. They will be preoccupied with that for a little bit. They don't try to escape when there's cracked corn. Just came in to check on some more eggs, and I'm seeing, uh-oh, we got a broken one. I don't know what the deal with that is, but I'm gonna take the good one. Good to go. But, oh no. Either it came out too soft, or one of their fat butts smushed it. Things are weird during the winter here. Really good. Get all that hay out with it too, in case it's contaminated. You nasty. Oh, I forgot the eggs were in my pocket. Oh, God. I ruined one. I'm so sorry, ladies.
Day 3, and it is snowing. As if it wasn't cold enough in here already. My lips are blue.
She's got it. Oh, baby, she's got it.
Don't patronize me.
I would never. Whew. That looked
On our way to get some stills, dude. Woo!
So the daily routine here on the farm during the winter is pretty much the same every day. Since we're not growing any winter crops, it's pretty much just let the chickens out in the morning. Hey, love it. Mary, move. Hey. Hey. Mary, move. Wake up in the morning, let the chickens out, get some eggs, refill their hot water, give them some bedding, then check on the male goats, Luke and Charlie, make sure they have food, minerals, hay to eat, dry hay inside of their goat house, and then come check on the girls here. Same thing, make sure they got hay to eat, clean hay to lay on, hot water to drink, and some minerals, maybe a little cracked corn for them to eat. Other than that, there's really not much else to do here, so I'm not going to be filming too much more. Kind of already showed you what it's going to be like for the foreseeable future, but for now, just going to hang out in here, chill with these girls, kind of just sit around, make sure they stay alive, and wait for them to get back home. That's about it. Hello. Oh, you're too big for this now. No.